Welcome to the Crello mobile app. Here's a quick tutorial to help you create your first design. You can start with a template straight away, or tap the plus icon to select an available design format. Browse a variety of ready-made templates using keywords and choose a suitable design. Crello has everything you need in its built-in library. Use photos, video clips, music, and animations in your designs. Experiment with your chosen template. Replace objects, remove backgrounds from images, add your own text, and change fonts. Once your design is ready, download it to your device in a desired format. You don't have to start over if you want to create the same design in a different size. Just tap the resize button, choose the format you need, and share your design with the world.